At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act is a federal law that sets national standards for protecting sensitive patient health information. HIPAA privacy rules safeguards the privacy of individually identifiable health information, while the HIPAA security rule establishes national security standards for protecting health data. The rules protect medical records, protected health information, and other personally identifiable information held by healthcare providers, health plans, and clearinghouses. HIPAA also requires that covered entities have physical, technical, and administrative safeguards to protect protected health information from unauthorized access or disclosure. All HIPAA-covered entities must have comprehensive policies and procedures to ensure compliance with the HIPAA security rule. At Carepatron, we have created multiple resources to ensure your practice is practicing HIPAA compliancy. Examples of some of these resources are HIPAA Authorization Form, a document to ensure your patients properly authorize their PHI access. HIPAA Medical Release Form, an essential document in healthcare. It serves as a bridge between patients and their healthcare providers, enabling the latter to share a patient's protected health information with specified third parties under explicit consent. HIPAA Waiver Forms, crucial documents that enables healthcare providers to utilize or disclose a patient's protected health information without their express permission. HIPAA Release Form, a document patients can use to authorize the release of their confidential medical information. To find these resources, you can either go to our resource linked in the description below or go to the in-app template library where there are thousands of resources for you to use. Here are the steps to use our HIPAA forms, which follow a general format. Fill in the information. Once you've downloaded it, open up the form and ask your patient to start filling in the applicable information, such as patient's name, contact details, the reason for the authorization, and a description of the medical information that needs to be released. Obtain patient signature. Once all the sections are complete, have the patient sign and date the form. The signature must be obtained to ensure it was given out of the patient's own free will. Keep a copy in your file. Keep a copy of the completed authorization in your patient records. If the form is sent electronically, ensure you have an electronic copy to store in the patient's chart. Keep track of the expiration date. It is important to note that the authorization does expire, typically after 1 year. Keep track of the expiration date and obtain new authorization if the form expires. Here is a sample of our HIPAA authorization form to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.